Welcome back to my channel. It is Crazy and Cleaning once again. Thank you for stopping by, and for all those who are new, thanks for coming. I hope you decide to subscribe and join the Crazy and Cleaning family. Today it is all about the fridge, all about the refrigerator. I clean out my refrigerator once a month because I do big grocery shopping once a month. Because I like for it to be clean and neat so I can fit all the new stuff in there. Right now I'm cleaning out my sink so that I can get all the dishes out the way, so that I can bring the drawers and the shelves in here to wash and wipe everything down. I hope you stay tuned to see how it turns out, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Now it's on to the fridge. Look at it. It is nasty. You may not be able to see everything in here, but there's spots and just nastiness everywhere. So we're going to get all this stuff out of here, wipe it out. I'm going to use my Mrs. Myers spray, and we're going to get it nice and clean. Look at that. Just nasty. I think that was some type of raspberries that melted or whatever, but it's just disgusting. You know how it is when you open up your refrigerator to clean it out. You find all types of stuff you didn't see when you were just opening it to find something. Just disgusting, but that's okay. We're going to get it clean, and I hope you decide to clean your refrigerator with me so we can get it done together. So I don't know if you could tell that I put that drawer in totally wrong. And I put them both in and I'm looking at them and I'm like, what is the problem? I'm trying to fix them. I realized I put them on the wrong side. So as you can see now, I did fix it. But that was a little brain fart, you know what I mean? But we are putting it back together because it is clean and shiny. Yes, let's take a look at that. Look at all that. Nice and clean, smell good. The honeysuckle Mrs. Myers, you know I love that. But now, we gotta figure out what to do with all this. We gotta go through what's expired, what's old, what we wanna keep, and put it back in there nicely. So here we are with almost the finished product. Putting everything in here nicely. I'm trying to put all my condiments on one side and my drinks on the other side and my dairy and eggs at the top. We'll see if it stays like this for the month, but I'm gonna try. So we're just getting everything back in here together and the finished product will be coming soon. Again, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video and staying tuned till the end with me. And I hope you got something clean today. If it's not your refrigerator, maybe it was your bathroom or something else. But I appreciate you and I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you. Bye.